The 10 blessings. Once the contemplation of the body's practice developed, often repeated, has become one's habit, one's foundation, is firmly established, strengthened, and well perfected, one may expect 10 blessings. Over delight and discontent, one has mastery. One does not allow himself to be overcome by discontent. One subdues it as soon as it arises. One conquers fear and anxiety. One does not allow himself to be overcome by fear and anxiety. One subdues them as soon as they arise. One endures cold and heat, hunger and thirst, wind and sun, attacks by gadflies, mosquitoes, and reptiles. Patiently one endures wicked and malicious speech, as well as bodily pains that befall one, though they be piercing, sharp, bitter, unpleasant, disagreeable, and dangerous to life. The 4 trances, the mind bestowing happiness, even here, these one may enjoy at will, without difficulty, without effort. One may enjoy different magical powers with the heavenly ear, the purified, superhuman. One may hear both kinds of sounds, the heavenly and the earthly, the distant and the near. With the mind, one may obtain insight into hearts of other beings, of other persons. One may obtain remembrance of many previous births, or what's labeled as such, right? With the heavenly eye, the purified, the superhuman, one may see beings vanish and reappear, the base and the noble, the beautiful and the ugly, the happy and the unfortunate. One may perceive how beings are reborn according to their deeds. One may, through the cessation of passions, come to know for oneself, even in this life, the stainless deliverance of mind, the deliverance through wisdom. Of course, there are different bliss states, but